Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to import bookmarks into the Opera browser on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you have recently switched to Opera and from another browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Brave or Vivaldi, you don't need to recreate all your favorite websites manually. Opera lets you import your bookmarks along with other browsing data in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First open Opera browser, then click on the Opera menu in the upper left corner. From the drop down menu, hover mouse over bookmarks, and then click on the Import Bookmarks and Settings option. The Import Bookmarks and Settings window will appear. Click the drop down menu and choose the browser from which you want to import the bookmarks. You can check or uncheck browsing history, tabs, etc. depending on your choice. Just leave this one checked, favorites/bookmarks. After that, click the import option. If you are importing from an HTML file, choose bookmarks HTML file from the drop down. After that, click on the choose file button. Now locate the HTML file that you have previously exported from other browser. After that, click on the OK button. Click on the done button. Now all the bookmarks will be imported and will be appear in the bookmarks toolbar. In case in this one bookmarks toolbar is not visible, click on the Opera menu icon in the upper left corner. Hover mouse over bookmarks and then check this one option, show bookmarks bar. This will be visible at the top. That's it. You have successfully imported your bookmarks into Opera. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.